Hello, my name is Krystal Ellington. I'm a Security Forces Patrolman at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Ohio. Today I'm going to inform you about one of the jobs as a Security Forces Patrolman. In doing that, we're going to discuss the types of traffic stops as well as the types of traffic tickets. Since there are a couple of different types of traffic stops, let's start by covering the most common traffic stop used by patrolmen. According to the Security Forces CDC's, a routine traffic stop is the most common. A routine traffic stop involves minor traffic infractions such as speeding or running a stop sign. A high-risk traffic stop involves someone who has committed a more serious offense or is wanted for something. In dealing with both of these, you want to ensure you proceed with caution. Just because it's a routine traffic stop doesn't mean it cannot escalate to a high risk. Once you have the vehicle pulled over, you're going to want to call in all the information to the law enforcement desk. You're going to start by sending the state of the license plate as well as the license plate number, make, model, and color of the vehicle, number of occupants in the vehicle, as well as where you are located. Once you send all that information, the law enforcement desk is going to run that license plate into the data system. Once they run that into the system, it's going to come back with all the information of the driver who has registered the vehicle. Also, when you run that, it's going to come back if the person has any priors or if they are wanted for anything. Once you get all the information, you will proceed to the vehicle. Once you get to the vehicle, you're going to introduce yourself and explain to them why you pulled them over. Then you're going to ask to see their license, registration, and insurance. Once you get the information, you're going to go back to your patrolman car, and then you'll decide if that is your occupant that the law enforcement has gave information on. If that is not the occupant, then you're going to run the driver's license number, and then you'll find out the information on them. If they are not wanted for anything, you're going to proceed back to the vehicle and give them their information back, and then you'll either issue them a 1408 or 1805. Depending on if they are a military or civilian, depends on what you will be issuing them. If they are a military or military dependent, you will issue them a 1408. A 1408 consists of three different forms. You have a white, pink, and yellow copy. The white and yellow goes to the patrolman, who they will turn into reports analysis, and then the pink goes to the violator. The white and pink copy mirror each other. It has all the personal information of the individual, the vehicle information, and the violation that they committed, as well as the patrolman's name who is issuing them the ticket. On the back of the pink copy, it has special instructions for the patrolman to give to the violator for them to report to their first sergeant or commander within 24 hours and inform their superior of the violation. Then the white copy goes to reports and analysis along with the yellow. The white copy on the back of it will be sent to their commander for them to let us know what type of punishment was issued to that individual. Also, it's good for our records to put into the system to assess points. If a person gets more than 12 points in a year, they lose their driving privileges on base. And then the yellow copy on the back of it, it just has the patrolman's notes, such as the attitude of the individual that they issued the ticket to. Now, a 1408 is a military, a DD Form 1805 is for civilians. A DD Form 1805 is a magistrate of court traffic citation. This traffic citation does have a fine. It ranges from $75 up, depending on what the violation the individual had committed. And sometimes, depending on the violation, they are not allowed to pay the fine. They actually have to appear in court. It is the exact same format as the 1408, except the only difference is they get the white copy along with the envelope to mail in the fine or the information to receive their court date. And then they also have to sign the bottom of that. And then also on the back of the 1805, it has a patrolman synopsis of exactly what happened, as far as, when they pulled them over, what they observed them doing, so that way when the ticket goes to court and the judge sees it, he'll be able to know what exactly happened. And then with that 1805, it'll also be turned into reports and analysis. With both of these tickets, if you want to rebut them with a 1408, You can do that through your commander, and then the base commander will make the decision to throw the ticket out or keep it. As far as the 1805, it has to actually go through the courts. So today I discussed with you the two types of traffic stops, routine and high risk, as well as the two types of traffic tickets, 1408 for military and 1805 for civilian. Thank you.